Risotto is a creamy Italian rice dish. It comes from the northern part of Italy. People love it for its rich flavor. You can make risotto with many different ingredients. Mushrooms and cheese make a classic combination. Here's what you need. Rice arborio or carnaroli, 1 cup. Mushrooms button or cremini sliced, 2 cups. Vegetable broth, 4 cups. Onion, finely chopped, 1 small. Parmesan cheese, grated, ½ cup. Butter, 2 tablespoons. Olive oil, 1 tablespoon. Salt and pepper to taste. Now let's cook. Heat olive oil in a large pan. Add chopped onions and cook until softened. Add sliced mushrooms. Cook until they turn golden brown. Pour in the rice and stir for a minute. Add warm vegetable broth, 1 cup at a time. Stir often. Let the rice absorb the broth before adding more. Once the rice is cooked and creamy, stir in butter and Parmesan cheese. Season with salt and pepper. For perfect risotto, remember these tips. Use the right rice. Arborio or carnaroli rice is best for risotto. They release starch slowly, creating a creamy texture. Warm broth is key. Adding cold broth to the rice will shock it and stop the cooking process. Keep your broth warm on the stove. Stir, stir, stir. Risotto loves attention. Stirring helps release the starch and creates that creamy texture. Don't overcook. Risotto should be cooked al dente with a slight bite. Overcooking will make it mushy. No arborio rice? No problem. You can use other types of rice, but the texture might be different. Your creamy mushroom risotto is ready. It should have a creamy texture and a rich, savory flavor. The mushrooms add a lovely earthy taste. Sprinkle some extra Parmesan cheese on top for extra flavor. Serve your risotto immediately. It's great on its own or with a side salad. Enjoy.